Fantafo ni yankwasiafo ene fantafo ye di yejibo empese me ko Western region ahantafo no omo de magimi times 2 ahantafo no de omo gimi no plus 30 Western region omo kura de kan Oti Elmina, Oti Cape Coast, Oti Commander, Oti Mankasim, Oti Salt Pond, Oti Aya Winneba, Oti Aya all the way to Asin Dumping, Aya Fosu Central, Ututia NDC, we are bois. Omu Cape Coast, Omugu, Asin Honomoke. Urane Kutao na Wajon, Uko Kurobiso Bidiko toilet. Ukorane Kutao na Wajon, Uko Kurobiso Bidiko toilet. Yadi Obey, Jri, Osum Yana for Wajin, Mohammed Obalokuta Quran. Mohammed Oba asase lokuta ya wono kuta Quran
sika ye hia dia ya de pa ne nya mesi wa wo nursing training college wo teacher training college Hanis Haruna Idrisu say aban fidi obi abie kojilo wo say no nti wonti ase a school no obi apa obi a chaw masa so wonti ase akodokoku hu the way is your front e kwa ne da wanim no free school ho when you sika koto perfume gugu hu when you sika koto pons twiwanim u change draws every week o person na say fe da bia no what your skirt no yen sam oduane di upotam
amo fire va
Danka William ni mpaya wo wiase nyina ye showa masarai bebediza when the Corinthians onimdie wo nyina ontumi san ba yare Anka Williams ono so ne ba no so aboda mo se den osoro na watichen we ni kwate sia te se mire edidi nkwase asem o TikTok was Danka William wa bompaya wo wiase nyina de brofo abo ontumi san ba yare na mo mogibigi nyara mensa otabo akotena court a bank board so we wie sika tetram o de nam Ghana osoro na hye Igbo curtains reverend obofo se hwanwan ne nine say Egyptian pen o de nkwasiafo obu de chiwagigi mu sika nyina koto phantom and o ka kire mo se osom no eya aza obinim o de mo ho akosi estate and the software we jai di no nam ho estate hu sika na ogidi se mo agimi asofo azanfo business for afawa oba no phone chemi and why can see chemi I say bi fi Somalia ekuro bia friend enkinkensu and de bae and ochewa hwa na fono se mo agimi or Fidelity Bank, Stanchart, Barclays, Momo over 30, or Western Union. Well, wahwe avenue ni nyina de biegu so odi sika ne beba. Obodam. Oya punk say akoko kodwa and my sister is sponsoring me and the DMJ. But Jimmy kono ha wo nyini nchami o. About you say Burkina Faso odwan arimi yawe edidi chief imam office dechi and oye corruption edwuma ho because on say chief imam nyini chief imam on TV chief imam on tier radio and arimi yawe na bodwe say peg and in kwasia politics no the chief imam office there.
A few moments later.
Answer. Okay. Did you tell any words for Ghanaians?
That's good. Yeah. Let's go.
But you said you pay for the security.
God have mercy upon us.
Danny, yeah, brabak into the studio. Braba. Where did this acrobat to war Syria? General.
Oh, Hene.
General.
Oh, Hene.
General. Akosia. And now this free way. Go Nana. Oh Nana. And also there. For Frabecon. What would you do? Oh Nana. Now the moki candy the moyi, General. And a cobase. A aquabia or chirame, a long crackratama meshasiano. Your friend of flights, a jeweler too, said Yeben. No, what quarter some mental bro for you. And what quarter on warriors, educated comedian. Let me say, men are all friends. Na I'm so baby the quiet year and one in the didn't talk. Na me screenshot the ascend and say, "Wo me you wadi." And I'm here say that we need what. Oh fire! Flash a jolly too. Wabeng oyakola wabeng. Na emran water. Na me share law school nasero. One na be chire madian kakra krefi. Ave dru baby ni ade ni ayi a wo hunu mape na ni sika ba ejese nu okọ ego fi yese wo okọ anu wo ti wonu church kwasi asem wo ye social media jola to no friend wo fanim point say me educated comedian na just who share the definition of a year obi a wotimi de comedy e kire ensemu na ufo bi te say eye Trevor Noah we comedian but very knowledgeable we witty into your fair obi te say Trevor Noah educated comedian that means what the comedy can no more ye no so said ye woni general money ade ye ne ade no you are exciting the people na agosua yi ye ne agobi wo mo ye no mo se ne ayi obi a na adwene mu no ontimi nyesa eti na so yasa ba biu you are going to give the people a year education ade na ekoso wo mo ye no mo se MPP fu akọ super delegate a year conference no aba no mo ko ba na dia nsekran na dia aba dia kwa na agi tu mo na dia ni anya ntu wadi akire dek woti ase what manfo no de yekoye no tiase montiri nyina ase eti ha ne yeba kirikire mu de yekoye ye no fanfa ni ade nkirikire mu beba nyasa okay ye no free wa your mama no wo hye yebo 24-hour economy na ye no wo wa na pentimamento wako penti dan bi ho so we adwuma no a eti NHIS wa ni ati ho scan bi yese mama ke ye be hwe se ye mama ke na NHIS no a pentimamento azanwa na nya adwene na nya adwuma obi jenwa se wadwene ye adwuma na wo bu manya se bi NHIS wo ho na wose umfa no enhye mukina na momu no Obama ye Obama care e wo America ento so be say manfo no so so be ye Mahama care so originality is not even there never afe no NHIS ni sika na bi ana wo de kwakoye Mahama care na ekire ye busa ase Mahama care wo be bie offices wo be fa nipa adwuma wo be print nioma sa sika no ade be ya sansem hunu ni nyina no sa wo de share NHIS ni mu a sa sika ye de bie offices all across the regions in the name of Mahama care ye ton cars here in the name of Mahama care say ye painting now in the name of Mama Care. Ye printed t-shirt ama workers in the name of Mama Care. Ana says ikano. Ye di betria manfo no adwuma ka in the name of Mama Care. Ye de share NHIS mu. E ma ne cover enye yare no no kanwa. Etikanya nsanim. E dia no mo de ebu de say. We mkoka se sia ya ombu befu na ati wiase na wugu man na nye populism ana enye ayimanfo no adwene ne mo ha wa beto NHIS na anokwa yeja awo no wa appoint fake doctor de koto so ana yema yi na NHIS wo ho na kehwe malaria ehwe kura yi tuberculosis ehwe sei na so yare afoforo bi oba bi apesa okoba se kidney ni ade ye no ansa de be share NHIS na se sapepepe ne mum no Obama care in America it am so menya Mahama cares what kind of concept is this agosua govi ana me na menti ase if se wunya bie Mahama care no a obey your office obe talkers am you all the 10 regional na says can intend me go NHIS fire insano manfo no se monti ase on se we mani age beja ye o me nkoka and ya no so security ni insecurity ye kumwei ni ye hye no we yira we kosi atom yi na no ye so ye kunu immigration officer ye kunu ye bedi san komoni bi na asen ho ba bi nso yese nkola bi na wo mo yese wo mo ya abaifo enti san nkola no wo mra mesoe a teacher for Ghana Education Service 21st century ya man nkola na soe se just look at yes ye teacher for ni nyina di training. They don't qualify to be teachers. They are abusing the kids. And by the mere fact that they must be sacked. Because minim DSC bonfas and tiachem. A collab near friend and ponsa. Mr. Dakuna neba. Near born the bay ye a bedroom. Say I'm ponsa ye by four. I'm ponsa near Timia and Kakuruna bon team bill. When Timia Mengo society bill. And the mini baby or walk. So we keep on abusing kids. And you better sound common. You better nina. I fear we are the more train who the more party in our battery. Bola bed Nansen. You bet you the Cheramo law, the position of the law. Supreme Court, no clear decision, no make it. Was the president? If it's a Supreme Court, no, a superior court, court of a year, records. Nano Quasi, say, you be training in now. Fair woman decision on the Aban. As soon as I saw it, say, you be training in now. Fair open the floodgates in abundance and cause your rain to fall. One a boss, Anum, Sonny Badu, and one boss, Anum, Baba ho, Baba, San Otono, and why you open the floodgates in abundance and cause your rain of insult to fall on me. Baba be a gate, you know. I don't show any Baba. Baba Jiki. Hey, you be a floodgate. It's your bachelor law, no. Now you are the market for name, a Macola for us. Or mobile can't see me. Mamiki, and one of Mamiki will free Macola. And was your frail counterpart no more than the market. And almost what can be. Now you drew one near Busa said on market for a card. Hey, Dirk. General. And so be resume kakra. Be resume 4. Yes, the entire mantle. Show ni yani yedi. Tama ye penny beba. Raising here. Raising.
Abeyefwe tutu.
Where?
We dey Mogabio.
Where? Steve Wonder. Where they?
I'm born a tall board member. Steve Wonder. Steve Wonder. I'm growing in this room. Steve Wonder.
Your mama boy do I? What the name Kinamu you are about? What the name Kinamu we are and better say we are Mugabe. I didn't answer some no kind of borders. Your mama is for young one. Mugabe. Oh, can you answer me?
Bagabiga no koka.
Na menu anu no, na menu dey all of a sudden was say didi matem. O frem na me se memfa where by force. Atankuri anu anu okwa no board so. Bagabiga.
Enye we bia no koka.
Na enye we na didi Paul anu mo kire say oye journalist. Anu ye na to board so. Say na enye board na ye na to so no na na ya. Na mum yemfo no so ntu so bi. Ana tema oil refinery. Ana ye de Mugabe Masi akoto so as board member.
More fire.
Oh, quite no,
I said,
I wonder.
Your boardroom.
Obession spectacle.
I am Mugabe Masi.
Obession spectacle.
You Mugabe, congratulations. Now my buying is serious. What substance does she have to sit on the board? And when we say somebody sitting on the board, the directive of the company, the decision of the company, the vision, the objective of the company, how to drive the company, it is a decision made by the board members.
More fire.
And Mugabe Masi is a board member of Tema Oil Refinery.
More fire.
Mugabe Masi, board member, where decisions are made. Tall. And Mugabe Masi
Oil.
Mubia and Sandy, you may be a printer graphic and a fatano.
Printing press.
Mubia's minu penuna, and I know to be or the buyer, my beginning one and Tiasia. The Muya so I could screenshot him in a personal Facebook, a chat, and what they are called to Facebook. I'm saying, told that Muma politics, Mamu Jimmy, because I was missing, I don't know. I'm a Bunipa. But we made a main follow suit for Asemco. Yeah, and then you I have personal relationship with you. The one can't share a man for and say, meet me baby. Anna, a die and this if we didn't cause a same blue bay. Who baby answer, I'm no free and I'm from 2009. You be seen there. On frame one day, Kuramusam said, Charlie, where you day? Yes, yeah. Namatim baby, now be frame. At Blukuma. Message, you send a message. Charlie, where's your location? I'm coming there. Nam catcher says it's very sad to see a baby you so as many to come after me. What's who go pai? Go where the pie? From 2009, and I'm for missing there. Now, Ben was sending a message, Charlie, where you did your location. When you know, or see, where are you at Blukuma? Send me your location. When you know very well, so on Crawford, Jimmy or Blukuma enough. And you send me a message. Now, maybe catcher say it's sad that they will use you to get to me.
More fire.
Who are screenshot baby, they are to social media. I won't follow suit. I won't mind you, Bobby. But don't do that again. You are a senior brother. I respect you. And I haven't lost the respect for you for what you've done. But don't do that again. It's not nice. And I know Bekanya says, Sam Crofoway or Munian or Monomonco. Answer who we can't crazy. Stop that.
More fire. More fire. More fire.
Oh yeah, they are mumu. And yet they obey ye Katakia to a mountain. Don't do that.
Don't do that.
Don't betray me because me I have never betrayed you since we started this game. You don't betray me.
More fire.
There are so many times that people say, don't walk with Bobby, don't walk with Bobby. Then the time I hear you free, your friend say, as Empire FM. I'm one of the people that stood by you 24/7 till today. Don't do that. Yeah, chill too. Me na be jina ho. Every be buying a chill too, but me jina out till 4 a.m. And they would me screenshot me no personal chat the two Facebook just to prove a point when this is what's in there. And never more bu another. Stop that. You are my senior brother. Stop it. Don't repeat that thing again. It is wrong. And I could have screenshot the whole Sunday here, but I send us a message, you know. But me and I'm saying I won't follow you. Be assured by this time when you shame on you. Don't do that again. General.
No, I
didn't see.
Go for you.
Omo pam
a party, the position should go to the main youth organizer, but unfortunately, I don't know what happens. Yeah, it went to deputy.
Where you Where near there? Where your organizer? Anna, your man, Ninyonko, why Anna, you're the man, the deputy. Anna, one who are much more in a few. Some kind of mamma indecisive. Very indecisive character.
Exactly.
Na raising info for her. And then
for
many are bear. When ye who be this? I've been any minute. Or say the idea, no.
They said the data no Tana sound.
DKB. They shouldn't say you. DK.
MTN Ghana, what's the meaning of this? When the data bundle answer do NDC for so there MTN Ghana na uko busa mo akufo do pension na solution abedi na tem dike bu trisa box ayo answer do NDC so there MTN Ghana what be your problem is a janjo mama na eyi so dem so wano aduane bebo it is all the MTN Ghana afi wa hunu say data no enye Sam George ne bedwane no afi yenti o say MTN Ghana dey was 9. MTN Ghana, what's the meaning of this? When the data bundle for TableNet was 92 gig, the one that Slawusu brought, I could use it for like 6 weeks or 2 months. Watch so many movies. The new one, you said you have brought it back to 214 gig. I just bought one. Less than 3 weeks. It's my second movie I'm watching. Data finish. Yeah, the other one, I watched several movies, watched a whole series, Squid Games, everything. Second movie I'm watching, and then normal daily browsing on phone. Hacker 214 gig. Last for just 3 weeks, 192 gig was lasting for 2 months. See, I'm watching a movie here.
See. You can see the man go out.
You Nani yini fiso no fana. DKB say dey. Time na 99 gig no. Na chema no. Otimi using be 6 weeks. And here Sam George so the 280 aba. Na mka chom sa azan aba ya monti ase. Say wo meka Kionet aba na na abedi matem. No di matem. Afi edru so de o de kwose MTN Ghana. Enye MTN Ghana. What? Kanka ko be so kako. Sam George na ye in charge. Kako.
Because Obi a minister.
Obi a minister.
More fire.
It is a 99 gig. Me betra kind. Say frakadam.
More fire.
Ave wo kikem. Dek. Welcome. DKB. Welcome.
More fire. More fire.
We ono so na menua be kase menua. DKB. Politics na titi ni pantamo.
Oh, can you more hini?
Papa.
Ene DKB timi eniti utri sa ayijamu aboa. Tri ono kwa ni tri sa de otwi vovu bi. Na ni tri nti se ni vovu no. Ana bia ana bi.
Hey, no hini.
Osu kura jai raise ade bi. And what resume say am for? Ade bi na si.
No nua se ho.
Wan ya?
Eh, unyo okotena akoduo si.
Okotena akoduo so. Wan no. Same koduo. Ono se hwan?
De waye ni ti se kinken subo.
Ah, same jamfi. Waye dai.
So akosi unyo ba o.
Akosi unyo ba bai.
Afia.
Same jamfi asu afia so. Si yanyan dai.
So wakaseti ya no.
Same wakaseti ya ya.
Ono same jamfi no.
Wagu ni din wo fi. Same jamfi. Wosi obi agu ni din wo fi. So otonka ase ma guess. E wo legon. Eti ede abai. To the court for defamation.
Same koduo.
Oh, na say don't get here guys kwase bia timi court.
Emu.
I mean so enyam na make go. Na same jamfo moral turpitude. Bronika se moral turpitude. Same wo ti wiase eti woda sumye so a woda se woni mpefe se trama na wo ye communications officer wonya free so kura ye beto aba entro a wotwa to manfo so na obi anfo ankokot enya same jamfi na beka se haptel Dr. Muhammad Bawumia na ne dia e wa bra no onim owners of haptel na Dr. Muhammad Bawumia odo kokot entro wotwa to manfo so wana de kokot it is an atwa bia to so a wo so kokot e dia koye dia bai ne dia gu ne diofi na Kwame Sefa kan ka semi na da so ya na okay ma wo se chairman general okay yentie the chairman general kan yentie
he still feels to say assembly ewuda da ntimi ndai oh chairman ndai keke obi say udin da ho ana obi ka semi tia oda nye no kre you're growing in politics, in public life. One day, obi di yewa obetiasie. When really all you have left is your name, your reputation. Today it may seem very trivial to you. Ebe o say a trivial at the end of me, but one fine day you will understand. Especially when your children are growing up, you're married, or lawyer konenim, and I believe I know you're a smart guy. Or lawyer juma konenim, politics konenim. Now we cast him for 9 years no credit. You will understand why I'm doing what I'm doing today.
Kwame Sefa kan baje obo come for your stone. Edi Kwame ka kire no. Says obi ka bibi fa wo na ye no kore. Said wo no twa truck fa Kwame Sefa kan. Kwame Sefa kan fa na kokot. Wo jemene na ye ne ya. An wo ka na same jamfi, same dollar. Wo trivialize no. Same gold board. Wo trivialize no. Na Kwame Sefa kan bibi kire no. Se wo nyini. Na abedru baabi. Na all you have left it's your name. Okra the name you don't have it left. Also a trodier, what just show near fan more. It's what you man a propaganda, you man. Young chat to Roman and kre. And I say, I walk at it. Can't go here, the free court near so good. What are that? Semesi of Fias was nigger. If you are coming be from home.
Now, you see, Uncle.
Now, you Anka, you did my farm afar. Kwamfa bomofo if so hu bomofo ansa
more fire
adia ne ye ne matantan same koduo na wotimi kokko nti wokura wo da adwene ho se wo kokko na wotibu abua wo sai e tro a wotwa ne kurom a ana mo adwene na tete sai on say twa nyonko ho a etua dem isabi edan no ayi kwan no anka wodan asa ekwan e wo mayi die etene pa ati say the Supreme Court no aye saa de ye wo mayi atemdidie ne mfa wo mu gate ya no ke bia no ma be floodgate no manfo no su bewuram. I'm telling you, the people will enter.
More fire.
Media minguram. Them people no will enter.
Exactly. So
it is something we can't quite case in free court. Na bia wo so kwa didi. Ya so kwa didi. Na so what was say ade ma we no. Oya na chi so de wa choke court na wontimi nkana semio if you so na gansu yemfa we hunumra wo be they say kwa sa be didi na tem bebo a na wo so wa say didi na tem we ntimi stop ya fia na wo pay 10 million free if you 10 million etu ani bi when you see more lawyer for more brof bi amoka when you see a man of straw nothing you will get.
Exactly.
Meboa if you so nega nto 10 million kwa kwatra mbruchi eti wo so ukosi uno se nya lock na abeso o lock man kana no tumu a ka ba kwa kosi uno fia ha ma we wunu abetimi akwa adwena kwa adwena ni aso nkwa di
say they will intimidate
Floodgate no
them.
mo ni di atem no. All right, so guys, you move on quick. You know, Kofi. So there is a growing trend to be a very worrying. There is this guy I seen be a by and I mean but it looks like he's still. And let me say this on record. A Showman police for you need this case immigration guy na your friend or your kin. Your kunwa sheno. It looks as though a Showman police for the family they don't trust the process somebody at the end fashion. And when people that is how come the court videos, the family were so agitated and angry. I've spoken to part of almost a immigration officer be and one in a yonko near the more kind of suspect, the prime suspect near the yonko. But there is an audio be a early kia. You bet ye san a yonko on a guy ya conta and come be omudi. You will take your time and you will listen. What baffles me a little bit, yeah, Mwaka can say, Utie audio na. It was a simple question that a contani busa guy, and the guy went on and on and on and on and on and on explaining himself. For which, for me, a chance so you bet yes audio. But let me say this. A branch any immigration officer. Almost in the DNA cry, yes, Stephen Ken. No Mukumasin in bottom, your friend, the big man. And the idea where you idea. And one in a yonko. Robert Awe. And your sword in the cat. Dear Wamo can you? No quack or Jessica Noaba or Koya, maybe you. No over here. Any idea? A year, any idea. No. A Shaman police. Okay, so wamumi enuni. Stephen Kane na chefita no de ye kunu ahye no. One day immigration officer. Ana ne yonku ya o blue na say we the prime suspect. One only Robert Awe. Ai Robert Awe. Now Robert Awe no no mo yese. Bright Awe Robert. Nya sa. Ne din no no. Ana mo yese ne yonku. Ene ye kan say immigration officer. Now what the immigration officer neka story or more can you and immigration officer ne kwa akogye wokoya wa mabiu na wa mabiu ya hwehwe no yenhuno na yenhuno dia ese lodge police complaint afa ye lodge ya Ashoman police nkomo aye ten say money sa aye awagai we are very close to the police in Ashoman so man for ne nyimuni nyame na meka the family ne nyimuni. Exactly. Transparency, justice. It starts with transparency. It's a man for the police for India. Now, for young Concotti and Comobia, a year a branch, Ken no. Na conta, Yashan wa young na offre away supposedly. Na enkomo ekoso muntie enkomo ne kakra bi dane se why ready a obebo sa audio ne kakra bi yentie
Hello.
Good night. Morning.
Yes, sir. Morning.
Good show me Kumasi. Ken Aponteni.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Nyambi sabraki ni.
Never try.
Mi Kumasi na Ken Akunteri. Yeah, but 2 years 1 minute can be by since I went maybe near dinner. Major numbers on my in front of me confirm through.
Oh, okay. Me pacho minimo. Lemon no. The thing is, Kendi. On any green now, come last week. If I Catana make a so. Omo come up on to you and I'm discussing a bit here. I'm a man in the Yanaka with Trimpo. And the king in the channel, baby, I ain't here, and I'm taking my thing. Or see at this spot, the ain't show at this spot, I'm to you. That if they do at this spot, and I'm sending a fellow, also about it here. Ampa anche no di moto ebesi oba ye na etam sika me de man no e 5 billion that it what dress it adin what dress pa also uniform what dress pa and am the man anche
so pause. Okay, so pause. Okay, so this is common logic in intelligence gathering.
Exactly.
Me na me your interrogation. Sir, audio way. It's too suspicious for me.
Precisely.
Wabusa question. Simple question of can kaso oba wa bejiska na ye okwa wa mae unim baby owo as to address it no address it pa any ade ye be kire o kan so ne last year footage na atade na hye no o hye jesi kotoko jesi ne last atade ye de hye no it is that details na wo ma no address it pa. It was a simple question of Ken Kasu oba wa bejiska na mpacho oba no unhu no. Now that is where if me I'm interrogating you, my suspicion will come from. Why was there too much explanation? Afa yenkosu ni yenti. Dani yenti.
Yebe yesu nemu no. Do na beta ho ne yemi amesika. Enti. Som na me ko baby aba na ajo no. Oni pa no te nche no. Ono kwa me ntrase no osika mu so o wo se sika da me kan ma de na ma na ajo. So me ne wa ka po pe na yebe hia. Na wa to su location na me de ma. Me de ma no. Dey 20 minutes time. And no send me message there. Wa ko duro no da ase. Ma kire odo. Sika ne ye sei.
Okay, so pause it. Danny, pause it. So, general, pause it. So again, in interrogation, say ubusamia, obi de oka, na obi babejia, ukudrufia, osa freu, edo asisu oda asepa. So odi onu ani sika amano. What kind of cock and the bull story is this? No, I'm just saying that when you leave me to interrogate matters of this nature. This is a conversation purportedly happening between a yekin no na konta ene abranti. Now obusa abranti and just a simple question. And the abranti spent well over 6 minutes explaining one simple question. No address it pa. He goes further to give too much details. So you are giving details which are unnecessary to the conversation. Ken ba me ha obajiska owie no okọ na maintain nka adede na asie. Do you get a point? Simple as ABC. Ken ba me ha obajiska oba kwa na me wa gisport me hia no. Now you buy na diska man okọ adede na asie. You will even be curious to find out why na konte frewa busa say Ken way. You were not curious. Now you just went straight to be answering the question and giving details which are irrelevant to. So whether Okodru Fieno and Ofre Opa. So you are making up, in my view, if you do that, you are making up a very nice story. Just so we will know that, Ken Kodru Fie, Ofre me, or Damase. If indeed, Sebin Preduasa, and Nipana Doka, Anna Wakwa Jim Sika, the Kodufian myself for those on the Sika. I mean, what nonsense is this? I'm just asking questions. This is an audio that we are interrogating. Now, Yenti.
Friend numbers near two. O Freba Aqua. Echo. Obia Yano. The person you know, Ofra and Kokra. Ma bona. Minyano ma frebe na for no omoni me no ya boa foku na mfo akotoko mo ntie ni yo ma frebe e se obi aso tension nka
me pesa me ba ho china because me na me ware ni nua ba ya che no first one na no frewa wonya wo no me na me pay 10,000 man de o me di beli no na konta wo ma so friend na konta e ya na ntiati nimpo kranso ya che ne ba atomic ono me na me ko hoko ma eska obe ka no kra me na me meska 20,000 30 no dia wakati so odi tia ama police for no kra ni me police for no kra ni me.
Okay, so General Ovi, Yemfa we see investigations are still ongoing. Exactly. Now Abrantia no Danny find a picture about na say yeso obo nyom kura ni ade enti we obo live band a wo to nyom kama na ade no ne ye bibi e asefem sampani ampa se ne yonko no na ekun no dia eye asefem Dani fa ne nyom no de obo nyom ba ko na obi abrantia kama yenti na me busia ne so ni bio yenti ade chesa na me sabe ko mano I na branche my bro na me busia ne so ni bio yenti ade chesa na me sabe ko mano Obrambo we are seeing ya na my bro ya simbo mi ama me hunu munyi na si o dada me ya na mitimi mumu aban wo he mrantie ye ni adwuma yo binu mfati okunkuma ma for di wosiko sikasemo na mada yintimi mumu okonkwe me se mache kromfwe we wi asika kosida ma me nsini twe oye kese a wo mpo no widiem fuanu afua nyame na atua nipa ne ka ho if indeed a way no picture no e be kire ne a bit worrying. Exactly. Na me hwe picture na me hwe.
No fire.
Ya hye no. Na sani ehu. Okoji scarf ni yonko wa ba. An ya hye ni yonko no. Onie very pathetic.
No fire.
The man here me yakwa ne say me yonku bi a okotu nsuo ma me wo eye jamase no maxam ni nua no
oh
nana sam o kana me follow the case no ni nua no
no fire
ya hye no there's a picture no she Jesse ba ko bi that was the last year atade a o she the PA. So when the guy was giving too much details no address pa no. Which one was no addressable? If indeed,
Jesse no.
And Jesse no near Shane womb, there be anyway than anyway. But yes, so a stance to support about. Anyway, then anyway, there is another one be Charlie. Story in this year so born in Yonko Bosia. And I won't see Casemnia, the so called. Now we were born Bosia in a year. The heart of man, they say, is wicked. This leads me to a topic I want to discuss. I think there's too much insecurity under John Mahama. There is too much insecurity under John Mahama. And there are similar cases. Abrante be so okay in US. Atom. Danny, you share a video. A boy be almost she Jaman or she. And also the same thing. Yes, will be a cocoon trinity at baby. And there are similar instances. Danny, put them on. Fabra. Yes, we are here. Yes, we say yes, we are there. Unfortunately, they just found his lifeless body. Where Daniel Afro?
You're pronouncing missing.
Oh yeah, you're pronouncing missing. Or your driver? Oh, he didn't. Or Yirai. The only answer Yakubu. Oh, I didn't know.
He's getting
Anna, than a dear won't be one. Yes, a small girl being society. On a swagger. And then I question insecurity
everywhere.
Amen and Kusasi for him. Our Washington region. O Kumasi. Kusasi for him. Or the senior Kuboni Tioku. And when you're near my Mesham Jomama Besso, no one ya, Ashanti regional minister, what can I say to see a bayame? Are you? Why the TikTok minister, Jaja, on the Panasam Kakra? It's Miniano, and Fanema, and Yamaboa, me a bias, with your famsa. Omoneka, and Yahano Mocano, for TikTok, Sam the Conwanumi. A doctor Moku, almost a TikTok, Noka share. Kusasi hine, a wokumasi, Yakuno, Aswasi. Na eyewitness account dani o eyewitness account no yentie ekwan ye fa so ayekun no and it's so sad that we are not as a nation taking security serious. So I think we must take security serious. Nick, we must take security very serious. I think under your mama security when jakwa yesa ka ahwehwe mu enso jakwa nye wei kwase sam nko an wodi check Norris no ajeneche security ka mu yenka intelligence gathering etikiye koku papa nka national security yesa mu gather intelligence e say dey omudi nkomo planning baby national security nso wo baby a boy no makuno omuso atom yentie ne kakra yentie. Okay, Daddy, you free so. I think the security must get serious. You must be up. Papa never say. You know, you know. Yeah, George Asari, former commander for my 7. Our core, East Legon. Me and Minia were Hishono. George, catch a year mirror to you. Say any. Why? Insecurity is becoming too much. Me pese me kwa kana kwese na me pedam pari asem na we buy intino. I may catch ya near there. There's one IGP. It will hold him accountable and responsible without any prejudice. Exactly. Still me pedam pari leadership. Me no the oya here sister. Now so you no na IGP. They say no be medjuma no na woma vemo mena ni mu. Number 1 chief law enforcement agent. Yehunu no esi esuro. And okodru aye ni ade no fansa fa chiro na TV ni ade. Okodru aye wo hwe ni dimina na post akra na ahomeka no form. Kofi Boachi enya si hwa. Boss authority has come in. Omi anya sa why? We mkoka se omega so na security there. Ya mfa bugabuga. But the demeanor of a police officer need to be inspiring. It must be inspiring. Exactly. Insecurity na doso. After you moving your MPP delegates conference. Your MPP delegate conference Saturday. I was there personally. General, you be shani ashe. Adiye see wo ho. You call saying we are giving the people account. Na yakwa we are yakwa the eyes have it. Those who say I, say I. Those who say no, nay, the eyes have it. Ni nyina sunsun so ne say. Ye be ya ne aye. Na wo mianka Henry Nanabuachi, any Justin Kudua. One more year, the organization was top notch. I think security organization top notch. And Anabi, one Kunko, when you Kunko, go watch it. Me, what would be was Ambahameka and a Mebuabaso. Organization top notch. Security was in place. Naya Yania, dear Midru Honaja, and Branche, and the Romoya Nomuso, one more Mako, and when you told me fans, and I had their fans, and Yana. Why? It's you could do one. And I'm ranching and saying, You're my coin. edu ba bi kura ye wura me koye nti om say da wo ye ma kwan na ko he eti ye kobi Henry na Nabuachi you did well with organization it was classy it was well put together na mom no dia ye nyina no ye behwe yin sunsanso MPP no afede me hunu say da so tiase ahoden no bam and medical ka kire mpanimfo no say enya